My name is Shayna Richmond. I am a student at Virginia Tech and I am studying environmental resources management.
Hi, I'm Sarah Walker. I'm also a student at Virginia Tech. I'm studying environmental data science and environmental conservation.
We're here on a study abroad course that is surrounding humans and the natural environment.
So I don't know all that much about koalas. What I know I've learned from Shakira, really. But this course is about humans and the environment. So the general theme is, how do humans impact the environment? What can we do? What's good? What's bad? And koalas are a great case study for that, right? Because you've got an endangered species that's affected by development. How can you minimize that? It really brings the theory to a particular animal that students can relate to. Seeing a koala in the wild takes it to a whole new level. So actually being out there and doing the field work, I think, takes their learning and their interest level that much higher.
I thought it was super interesting. We found some really cool koala bones. We saw a live koala in the trees, and digging for poop wasn't the most fun thing, but it was definitely super educational.
Yeah, it was very informative. I loved the way that the information was given by Shakira. She made it for students who have some background knowledge on the environment, but not necessarily on this certain ecosystem. She shared the information so well, it's very easy to understand.
Yeah.
And I really enjoyed the experience. It was so unique.
It was really cool.
Shakira's great. She's really, every year is a hit with the students. And these students really want to get out and do something, get their hands in it. You know, one of the reasons they come on the course is it satisfies a requirement at the university for experiential learning. Not just book learning, but get your hands in it. And so they're eager to do that. And Shakira gives them the opportunity. She's very knowledgeable. She knows what she's doing, she gets them into it, and it's really, they enjoy it a lot.
I really liked the presentation in the beginning where she was just showing us all the information about koalas and where they live. It's just like the basic information that we just don't have about them back in the US. It was super interesting to learn about.
Yeah, I was doing data collection, so I would say my most interesting part was going around and looking at all the trees near our traverse and checking which were eucalyptus trees and identifying the different species. I was not expecting to see a live koala. It was just such an amazing experience.
Yeah, I've never seen one before, and it was just incredible. Like, I just wanted to stand there and stare at it the whole time.
I think the standouts vary a little bit by student, but seeing a koala in the wild is really it's a big tick box, right? It just ticks that box off. Some have seen them in zoos, but to see it in the wild is a whole different thing.
This has been just like incredible, and I've learned so much just through doing and seeing. It's something I don't think I could ever get anywhere else.
Yeah, I would really recommend. It might be like slightly out of your comfort zone, but it's the experiences that you get are just like nothing else that you could find. It's such a unique environment here with so many endemic species.
Yeah.
And it's like, the information is so valuable. I think I'll remember this for the rest of my life.
The benefit, I think, of bringing them to Australia is really getting them out of their comfort zone and showing them something different. Australia is a nice compromise because it's not super stressful. Obviously, there's a common language and the food is pretty recognizable, but they still get that out of their own culture. And I really believe that the only way you can evaluate and see your own culture is to get out of it and look back at it.